Number 4. DEWALT Cordless Heat Gun. When it comes to cordless heat guns, the DEWALT Cordless Heat Gun is a top choice. With 2 temperature settings, LED work light, and compatibility with standard nozzles, this tool is a versatile addition to your toolbox. What sets it apart from other models is its use of DEWALT 20-volt battery packs, giving you up to 42 minutes of work time on a single charge. One of the standout features of this heat gun is its portability. You can easily take it to work sites, use it in your yard, or anywhere without an electrical outlet. The built-in LED work light is a helpful addition in dimly lit areas, making your projects easier to see and complete. The ability to use standard nozzles from other popular brands sets this heat gun apart, giving you more options for different projects. The temperature settings of 500 degrees on low and 90 degrees on high make it suitable for a variety of applications, from removing paint to shrinking wrap. While it may take longer to reach maximum temperature compared to corded models, the convenience of not being tethered to an outlet outweighs this minor inconvenience. The only downside is that the battery and charger are not included, so make sure to add those to your purchase. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a cordless heat gun that offers portability, versatility, and convenience, the DEWALT Cordless Heat Gun is the best choice for your needs. Check it out for yourself and see the difference it can make in your projects. Still searching for the perfect heat gun? Don't give up just yet. We have more coming your way. If this happens to be your first time here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated when we release new videos. You won't be disappointed.